a post on Tumblr. Simba! Here's Jack. I'm Jack.
What's wrong with you? Hey. Okay.
Come here! Faggot!
You took him out, so now he wants to play.
I didn't take him out.
I thought you took him out.
Nope, that was Timothy. Oh! Simba! Simba, don't run away! No, come here. No! You don't listen. Gosh.
That's funny, you don't listen.
Dad?
Come here! Yeah, you're in trouble now because you didn't come the first time. You sit down right on this couch, bruh. Gosh, look at the movies. Okay, calm down.
Dad?
That's what this demon does all day, every day. He's so mean. Meow. 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 These are like cat noises. You can see. I was about to say watch him bite me, but he's licking me.
How's Karen? She's gone. Come here, Sherry. She's gone.
I'm just trying to love you.
You know how much you love
He doesn't
her.
like when people cry either.
No, she is everything.
Look into the camera of you. You ain't going nowhere, son.
You're a tormentor.
I'm not holding it. I wasn't even holding it.
Bite your titty.